We are witnessing a revolution, not in the political area in this case, but on the technical and technological sector. We are undergoing a revolution, and therefore, first of all, we must have a clear picture of what is happening, and then to see what we can do to take advantage and have good opportunities from that revolution. These devices are turn viable a new type of applications. We are not going to run on these devices the same kind of applications that on the web type. They will be different. If I'm connecting with an RP or a main server, I'm going to develop a series of task-oriented activities. I approve requests in a certain icon, and there will be a little of the small icons related to specific activities. This is or has been the most successful option in the business-related environment. But there is other type of applications that is not business-related, that are related to the end consumers, so to the final users, and are interesting for corporations. I would be quite interested in recording my golf handicap or cards, or as Alejandra Lemos was telling me the other day, she wished to have an application recording all the vaccines or visits to the physicians of her children. These are not relevant for the corporations. There is a whole niche in the market that we might call end-user or personal applications.
Besides from all of this, we are now announcing something that's called Genexus SDX, Smart Devices Express. Genexus SDX is not a product. It is a service. It's actually a website. And basically, what it does is, it's a Genexus that has been somewhat restricted. It is simplified, and if you see what you have there is the structure editor, and what we're doing is you log on to that website. You don't need to have Genexus, and you define a KB. It doesn't have the same power that Genexus has. It has less things, but there you can define structures, transactions, procedures, basically what we are used to doing when we work with Genexus. Then you can define how those transactions will be seen in a smart device, and automatically what we do is to generate that application, and we host it in such a way that someone can test the application directly. So what this is a process, a cloud Genexus that's specific for smart devices. So to understand this, so I define a small application. I define, for example, an invoice demo, and then I click a bill button, and it automatically generates programs, databases, and it also hosts the application and generates a component for smart devices, and I can already run that application from my smart device, whatever it is, no matter which of those 4 devices it is. And the other thing was what I mentioned today in terms of personal applications, the types of applications I want to have, my golf handicap, the immunization shots for my kids, etc., etc. If I want to have all of that in a smart device application, we believe that we're almost the only ones in that category today, in that so-called RAD for consumer applications.